Good afternoon. This Wednesday will be part one of many of continuing parts on conserving water through drip irrigation using Netafim drip tape. We will set up a small garden, and once the basic math is in place, it will be easy to see water conservation. A good rule of thumb is 1 inch of rain per week to have a healthy garden or crop. What does 1 inch of rain look like? On 1 square foot. One inch of rain on 1 square foot is 0.7 of a gallon, or basically 3/4 of a gallon of water, or 2.6 liters. The plot we're planning to demo this year is going to be about 2,900 square feet, and applying 1 inch of water on that would be 2,030 gallons of water. Over the course of the year, we're planning to show you how much water will be saved with Netafim drip irrigation. Ben Franklin once said, "When the well runs dry, we'll know the worth of water."